Hey everyone! Okay, so you want to speak English confidently but have no idea where to even start? Ugh, I feel you. Seriously, I've totally been there. That awkward silence, the deer in the headlights look when someone asks you a question. It's the worst. But guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm spilling the tea on my super simple, totally doable 5-minute daily routine that helped me go from to actually speaking English with confidence. So grab your notebook, your iced coffee, or chai tea, whatever, and let's do this thing. Alright, step 1 is my personal fave because it's basically just watching stuff, but with a purpose. I pick a short English video or podcast. It can be anything from a makeup tutorial to a news clip about squirrels on a rampage. Don't judge my YouTube algorithm. Anyway, I put on my detective ears, listen super carefully to how they're saying things, and then I repeat. Yeah, I know, it sounds kind of basic, but trust me. This is how you train your brain to understand those tricky sounds and rhythms of English. Plus, it's low-key fun to talk to yourself in different accents. Don't lie, you know you do it too. Okay, pro tip alert. In the beginning, turn on those subtitles, babe. They're your new BFFs. It helps you connect the words you're hearing with how they're actually spelled. Once you get the hang of it, ditch the subtitles and go solo. You got this. Okay, step 2 is all about actually opening your mouth and making sounds. I know, scary, right? But chill, it's way less intimidating than it seems. All you have to do is speak one, yes, you heard me right, one sentence in English every single day. It can be about anything, what you had for breakfast, how your cat is judging you extra hard today, your undying love for Timothée Chalamet, literally anything. The point is to get those vocal cords vibing in English, even if it's just for a hot sec. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. I started doing this, and now I can, actually hold a conversation without, my soul leaving my body. It's a miracle. Chapter 3. Vocabulary Notebook. Not your average school supply list. Step 3 is where we get our learn on, but in a cute, aesthetic way. Forget those boring vocab lists from school. We're creating a vocabulary journal that sparks joy. Okay, so every day I find 2 or 3 new English words. They can be from the videos I'm watching, a book I'm trying to read, or even just overheard in line at the coffee shop. I write them down in my journal, along with their definitions, because, duh, memory is a fickle mistress. But here's the key. I don't just write the definition, I use the word in a sentence about my life. For example, if the word is grateful, I might write, grateful, I'm grateful for my lovely friends who put up with my shenanigans. See? Learning and being extra at the same time. It's a win-win. Chapter 4. Practice with AI or friends. Because even introverts need to talk sometimes. Okay, step 4 is where the magic really happens. Practice. This is where you take all that listening, repeating, and vocabulary building, and you actually use it in the real world, or at least with another humanish being. Now I get it, talking to actual people can be a whole thing. So if you're not quite ready for face-to-face interaction, that's totally cool. Start by talking to an AI friend. Yeah, you heard me right. Apps like ChatGPT are surprisingly good listeners, and they won't judge you if you mess up a tense or accidentally call your dog's name instead of your own. Once you've built up your confidence, grab a friend, a family member, or even your reflection in the mirror and talk. That's it. Just 5 minutes a day. Listen, speak, write, and repeat. Start today and stay consistent. If I can do it, so can you. Seriously. If I can go from being too scared to order a pizza in English to actually having a conversation about it, you can do anything. Remember, it's all about baby steps. Don't put too much pressure on yourself, just have fun with it. And hey, if you try out this routine, let me know how it goes in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing tips and tricks. Or just more videos of me being awkward and relatable. Whatever, you do you.